This video will show you how to replace the alternator water pump serpentine belt on a Cadillac CTS with a 3.6 liter engine. This will be located on the front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace this, we're making our way deep inside this area. Now as we make our way down, this is where we can see our serpentine belt tensioner. You can see there's a small square notch. We'll be using a 1/2 inch drive extension with a ratchet. I'm going to be pivoting this tensioner clockwise to release tension from the belt so I can start removing it. Let's remove that belt. Can be difficult to get the belt out around the tensioner. Just rotate it as necessary. Slide it out of there. There it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's prepare to install our brand new alternator and power steering serpentine belt. The first thing you have to do with the belt is compare it to your original. We're stretching it out. As you can tell, they look exactly the same length. This is what we want to see. Let's get ready to install that belt. As you remember during the removal process, getting it around the backside of the tensioner was pretty much the hardest process here, so that's where we're starting. So now this portion of the belt has to go behind there. Just going to twist it, bring it up and around, slide it up. Once you have it around that tensioner, we're going to continue on bringing it around the crank pulley, which is the lowest pulley, the largest pulley as well. After it's around that, we're going all the way up to the water pump pulley at the top. This is looking good. Now at this point, we're going to make our way around that alternator. Once we get it towards the alternator, we're going to have to pivot our tensioner clockwise once again so we have slack from the belt. So I'll have my tool in place. Now before I remove my tool, I'm going to give the belt a quick inspection, confirming it's over each one of my pulleys properly, in the proper orientation and routing. We need to confirm that the ribbed portion of the belt is seated properly. Just double check each pulley. Take your time here. Okay, all this is good. I'm going to remove my tool. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing we have to do is make your way inside the passenger compartment. You're going to start the vehicle, let it run for 5 seconds, and turn it right back off. After that, come back out here, triple check the belt, confirming it's seated properly. Continuing on, you can go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.